Welcome to our channel. If you're going through or recently completed a divorce and need to manage tax implications, follow these step-by-step instructions to handle your taxes correctly during this transition. Step 1. Determine your filing status for the tax year. If your divorce is final by December 31st, you're considered unmarried for the entire year and must file as single or head of household. Step 2. Understand child dependency rules. Typically, the custodial parent claims children as dependents, but parents can agree otherwise and document the agreement using Form 8332. Step 3. Review who claims the child tax credit and other child-related benefits. These usually go to the parent claiming the child as a dependent. Step 4. Address the tax treatment of alimony. For divorces finalized after December 31st, 2018, alimony is not deductible by the payer or taxable to the recipient. Step 5. Split retirement accounts using a qualified domestic relations order to avoid immediate taxation and penalties when dividing retirement assets. Step 6. Determine the tax basis of assets you received in the divorce. Generally, property transfers between spouses, incident to divorce, are tax-free, and you inherit your ex-spouse's cost basis. Step 7. Update your withholding using Form W-4 at work to reflect your new filing status and situation. Step 8. Notify the IRS of your name or address change if applicable using Form 8822. Consult a tax professional to optimize your post-divorce tax situation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.